Hey everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to make another easy wallet. The fabric, I only have 3 pieces of fabric, but I'll go one at a time so you can understand. And the main side of the fabric, I use this flower. So I pick whatever color in here for the 2 piece, the pocket and the other side of the lining. And the interface in here I cut is 8.5 inches wide and 16.5 inches long. I also cut the fabric in here 9 inches wide and 17 inches long. So I have a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. And then I'll show you that I have 2 fabric right here that I cut, one with the blue and one with the orange, and the size of this is 7 inches wide and 9 inches long. Same thing to the blue, 7 inches wide and 9 inches long. And I'm going to fold this orange in half. And I iron in the center like this. Wrong side facing in, and I have the interface in here that I cut 3.5 inches by 8.5 inches long. So 3.5 inch by 8.5. So I'm gonna place it right at the fold. Just like so. And then iron this side. So put it back on. Iron this. You're gonna sew the top right here, just at the fold, top stitch this side. The main piece, I'm going to turn to the right side, so where I can mark the line so we can fold. Going to mark 3 inches and a quarter. The first one, 3 inches and a quarter. This side, same thing, 3 inches and a quarter. And I'm going to connect the line. And the next one I will have 2.5 inches. Connect. The next one is 4 inches. Connect. And the last one I will have 2 inches and a quarter. Alright, so now we're going to do some folding. You're going to fold this on this line right here, where you just mark 3 inches and a quarter. You can iron if you want to. So like this. And then the second one, get your ruler and then mark, like put it right there where the mark sign. You're gonna bring this down. Take the ruler out and you iron it. And now for this one right here, you're going to bring this like this. Make sure you put the ruler right where the mark line. Take this out. And then fold the next one, what is the last, fold this down. Now you're going to iron this. Isn't that so simple? This one you're going to lob. Look at how easy it is. Right, I'm going the back here so I can iron this side too. Now it's your choice on that fold line right there, the fold. You can top stitch on that fold if you want to, the fold on both sides, left and right. Top stitch that if you want. So everyone, after I top stitch in this side right here, and remember it's at the fold, so it's inside like this. Bring back the blue one, the one with the same side, the right side facing up, and this is like this. You're gonna face it together. So now the right side, sew it together, a quarter of an inch, sew this two together. So now it's staying like that. Remember the bottom we didn't sew. So we're going to bring the main side over. The right side facing the right side, and it's like this. So the big side right here facing this top, and that little one right here facing on the orange. On top, make sure everything is meet up it's supposed to be. Let me just clip it down. On this side here and on this side here, I'm going to mark 1 inch. So 1 inch, and then you're going to straight this. Same thing to this one, 1 inch and 1 inch. And then connect this. One little thing I want to share with you, if you want to add the wristlets, you can add underneath here, right here. So the strap, and it place right here. That where you're going to place the strap, okay, right here where the orange is. Just so you know. But I'm not doing that. I'm doing this for myself. So let me just mark the side here. I'm going to leave about 2 inches. So follow the interface in here. So to here, so down here. And then follow the interfacing on the side going down all the way down to the bottom. This side, go all the way. On the side, go all the way. Go to this. Go here. Leave this open to inside out. So everyone, after I sew around and I left it here open, so you can go and trim. I'm going to trim a little bit right here too, so it's not too thick. I usually don't, but for this I'm gonna do that because the fold and everything, but not that thick. Okay, so you're gonna fold this. This is easy and quick. I think what's your name? Wendy. I think you're gonna like this one, Wendy. Make this for sale. Make this to sell. So you see this? So beautiful. Easy to do. And now you're going to inside out. After you inside out, you're gonna see something like this. That's not right, but it's okay. You're not done. Put your finger right here and then finger right here. You're gonna push this side like this. So you have a pocket here and a pocket in here. And then this one right here, just hidden pocket. Alright, so super simple, right everyone? And now you're going to iron this all around it, and then we're going to sew it. Isn't that so cute? Earlier when I told you about the pocket. Okay, and now we're going to do top stitch. You're gonna top stitch around here, the flap go all the way. So after I top stitch here, you're going to fold it down. And so you can see we have one side with the flower that go to the orange, and then the other side is the flower one. But make sure you iron this down so you can add the button. Love this. This is beautiful. Good side. So remember what I told you right after the orange. Right here. Add the strap if you want to. Right on top of the orange. I'm making this for myself so I can put in my bag, my wallet. Sometimes I use backpack to travel, and this is perfect for that. So on this side here, from the corner up, you can go like half an inch, so you can add the button. So half an inch right at the corner, right at this straight line right here, half an inch right at the corner. Now you're going to add the button. You see how beautiful it is? I love this one. And look in the back, the pocket, and then this. Alright, and then in the back here you can add the button here, so you can put change in here if you want, or any coupon or whatever for elderly if you want to. Alright, so do the same thing. You're gonna snap this button right on that side. Let's pick what color you want to use. Okay, and then do this side. Is that everyone? I finished. And remember what I told you in the back here with this hidden pocket right here? You can put the velcros or the button to make sure everything not falling down. I don't think it's going to be, but for the safe side you do that because it dip. Okay, and the front pocket right here, I add the 2 buttons. It's very cute. That how simple and easy to make, just like that. And you can ask money on one side or phone and or something. This is what I like. for myself. So I'm making that for myself, everyone. So I'm gonna put the money in there just like so. And if I want to leave some card in there, I can do that too. Or I can put the card in the back here with the closer right here. If I want to do that, I can do that. Just like that in the back here. And then it closes like that. And I can put some change in there if you have some change and you want to put it in there. You can do that too. Just put it right in there. Stay inside of that. Just like so. And then if you want to, or you want to make this only for the phone, then you can put the phone in here, or you can put the phone in the back. So wherever you want to, it is still good. So let me just snap it. So just like that. And you just snap it down. How simple and easy. Everyone can do this. I'm guarantee you. If I can do it, everybody can. I'm not an expert. The wide side of this wallet is 4 3/4 of an inch, so almost 5 inches down. And the length of this side is still 8.5 inches, the same side of the interface. And all right, everyone. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for the people who support my channel membership and also donate to my channel. Stay safe, everyone. Love you. Take care. And remember, I just want to leave a message for people. The Facebook, if you want to to friend me on Facebook. If you want to friend me on Facebook, feel free to do so, but and then send me some photo if you want to tag the picture on the Facebook, but don't do any personal message on my messenger, because that I don't have time for that, everyone, and I hope you understand that. Besides, I do YouTube and everything like that. I have family, and sometimes I'm not even here. I travel. So anytime I have time, I make about 5-10 videos, and then I edit and put on the side. And really, I don't have time. Please don't send me any personal message through a messenger. Thank you. Love you.